Hi folks, welcome to Donna's Key Improvement Tips. Today I want to talk to you about is the Homestead Act. This is a tax relief act that will put money in your pockets, folks, so please pay attention. This was an act that was passed in 2006 by Governor Rendell to help us with our tax bills, county, local, and school. All you have to do is by March 1st, you fill out this simple little form. Very simple, Montgomery County, Chester, and Berks. I have them in my email. So if you'd like to reach out, message me, email, call, text, I'll send you the form. But it's money in your pocket if you do it by March 1st. Again, it's a bill that prior to your taxes being calculated for the following year, it's a reduction taken before they up our taxes. So please, folks, it could be a couple $100 in your pocket. Take advantage of it. Again, thanks for listening to Donna's Key Home Improvement Tips, and tune in next month.